for people starting out in this branch of our sport.
Thanks, John. These are the top 10 tips for people starting out in IC cars compiled by Radio Race Car International. Number 1, take out a subscription to Radio Race Car. Delivered to your door every month, the magazine is packed full of advice and tips, and the subscription will cost you less than buying the wrong set of tires. Number 2, join the British Radio Car Association. This is your national organization, a great source of help, advice, information, and usually low-cost insurance. Number 3, before you buy your car, decide where you are going to use it. A smooth car park, an uneven road, off-road, and how? Just for fun, with friends, or organized racing? Number 4, visit your local specialist model shop and ask their advice. Buy a suitable kit, buggy, stadium truck, GT, touring car, etc., and all the accessories you'll need. 2-channel radio, glow heater, fuel, paint, etc. Number 5, build the kit carefully, and if in doubt, ask the shop for advice. Follow the instructions carefully. The manufacturers have invested a lot of time and money in getting the car right, so build it right. Follow the break-in instructions carefully, too. That way, the engine will give good, reliable performance. Number 6, use only good quality fuel, plugs, and glow starters. Make sure that a good quality air filter and fuel filter is fitted. Number 7, after a couple of gentle runs, check the car over. Some of the screws and bolts may well loosen up during this early running. Number 8, take time to learn the car. Don't attempt to go at maximum speed right away. Mark out a simple figure of 8 and practice smooth laps before increasing the speed a bit at a time. Number 9, don't practice in the street. Find somewhere safe and check that you have permission to operate there. Number 10, drive safely at all times. A modern IC car is heavy and fast, so don't take risks. If another RC car appears, stop and check that frequencies don't clash. Okay, so now you're ready to start. But there's one other important thing to remember: to have some fun. Just take a look at this.
Well, I'm afraid that's all for this time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Don't forget to keep reading Radio Race Car magazine, and until next time, happy racing.
Cut. Right, thanks very much everybody, that's a wrap. John, if we can have you out of the car please.
Out of the car?
Yep, out of the car. Thank you very much. Right.
Where's my car? I wasn't told I was going to get a car. Isn't it this one?
Can we have John's car, please?
Where's my...
Cheers, John.
Radio Race Car was the first of our publications. We now have 14 in the tracklets.
Karen, telephone call on line 3.
And from our original 2000 plus print run. That's the fire alarm.
We've got off-road action covered as well. Sorry. We've got off-road action covered as well, with a close look at some of the top car, all filmed here at the secret test site at 10th Technology. That was almost there. How can you get the last word wrong? I'm just worried about the yellow light it reflects onto my complexion. We took our cameras. We took our cameraman, who was drunk. Would-be RC car racers have started out that's a horrible bit, isn't it? And the added excitement of the noise. Here's Tom Hill with a few of Radio Race Car's top 10 tips. A few of the top 10 tips, or all of them. Just 4. We're only going to give you 4. Sorry.
People are sort of creeping down the stairs, trying not to do that. Sorry about that. I've got an armed squirrel over here, dear. Will that do?
That's a hard one, John.
We went to the 8th queue. The 8th queue. There's 7 of them we haven't been to, but we went to the 8th one.
The other one is Read Radio Race Car. Okay.
Now remember folks, always switch your car off before you switch your radio off. Whoops.
If you like your radio-controlled models to look good, sound good, and above all, be fast, then take a look at this. RC jets are quite simply the ultimate models. They fly at speeds of over 200 miles per hour, and in the air, it's sometimes difficult to believe they're models at all. Traplet Publications took their full-time video team over to the Superman Jet Rally in the USA to catch some of the finest flying in the world. This 90-minute video is packed full of action and information. If you want the best footage of the most awesome models in the world, then get Superman. You'll find details of all our videos, books, magazines, and gifts in this superb free color catalog. To get your copy, just send us a self-addressed envelope and 31p postage to this address.